Friends, welcome to AZF, the online platform for GATE Agriculture Engineering. And this is all about me. Friends, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the different formulas and concept regarding the humidity and different pressures and different terms which we have used in humidity. So before watching this, I will suggest you to watch that video. And friends, now see the question. Here it is given that relative humidity is 10% and at 1 atmospheric pressure, and it is the ratio of water molecular weight of water to air is 0.62, means हमें 0.62 value also here it is given in the question. So friends, in the previous lecture we have studied that relative humidity is the ratio of partial pressure of water vapor divided by the partial pressure of water vapor at its saturation capacity. And friends, at saturation capacity the pressure is 1 atmosphere, that is 101.325, and relative humidity is 10%. So you can calculate the partial pressure of water vapor, that is 10.1325 kilopascal I have calculated. And friends, after this it is asking about the humidity, means absolute humidity. Friends, this is H, wherever we are using the formula, that is 0.62 into PWV divided by P minus PWV, that is the absolute humidity. ये हमारा absolute humidity होता है, and relative humidity होता है हमारा दोनों का रेशियो, partial pressure of water vapor divided by partial pressure of water vapor at its saturation capacity. Means आपको ये differences को याद रखने हैं. So you should simply put all these values in the formula. You will get the answer, that is absolute humidity is equal to 0.0689 kg water per kg dry air. After this friends, you see here this question. Friends, this question is whatever I have taught in my previous video lecture, that in mass transfer I have taught you regarding the different types of dimensionless numbers. Means there I have shown you the slide where I have shown the formula for Nusselt number. So Nusselt number is equal to HD by K, where H is the convective heat transfer coefficient and D is the diameter and K is the conductive heat transfer coefficient, means thermal conductivity. So you should put all these values. You have to calculate the H value. Friends, here the Nusselt number value is given, that is 2. It is given 2. So Nu is equal to HD by K. We have to calculate the H value. So K into Nu divided by D. You put all these values, you can get your answer, that is 0.72. And friends, now see, very good question and very easy question also. Here the vapor pressure of water is given, that is 4.242, and the vapor pressure of water in the atmosphere, means two vapor pressures are given. One is given, that is 4.242, that is the vapor pressure of water at its ambient temperature of 30 degree, means that is the vapor pressure of water at its saturation capacity. And the another second one is given, that is 2.52 is the vapor pressure, actual vapor pressure, means partial vapor pressure. You can see here in the question, first one is given vapor pressure of water, means pure water vapor pressure. When there is 100% saturation, the vapor pressure is 4.242, and when the partial vapor pressure is given here in the question, that is 2.52 kilopascal. So and it is asking about the relative humidity. Friends, for relative humidity, all of you have studied that it is the ratio of partial water vapor pressure in the mixture divided by water vapor pressure at its saturation capacity. So the first 4.242 is the saturation capacity pressure, and second one 2.52 is the partial vapor pressure. So you should take the ratio of both, you will get the answer, that is 59.4%. And friends, if you don't understand in the question that which one is going to be the partial vapor pressure and which one is going to be partial vapor pressure at its saturation capacity. So you should remember clearly that whatever the value that is large, that is the पार्शियल वेपर प्रेशर एट इट्स सेचुरेशन कैपेसिटी। मीन्स सेचुरेशन पे हमेशा ही हमारा प्रेशर ज़्यादा रहता है इन कंपैरिजन टू पार्शियल वाटर वेपर प्रेशर के। इसलिए जो वैल्यू हमारी ज़्यादा होगी उसे अपन डिनोमिनेटर में लिखेंगे और उसे अपन पार्शियल वाटर वेपर प्रेशर एट इट्स सेचुरेशन कैपेसिटी कंसिडर करते हैं। सो दिस इज द लॉजिक। नाउ फ्रेंड्स, सी अनदर क्वेश्चन। Here it is saying that 70% is the relative humidity feed to the heater and the saturation vapor pressure at 40 degree and 65 degree is 0.074 and 0.250 bar respectively. Then relative humidity of the dryer at this temperature. Friends, you should first thing you should take care about that here the two temperatures are given. So you should take care that 40 degree centigrade and 65 degree centigrade. At both these temperatures there are different saturation vapor pressure. I have told you in the initial of this video only that at a particular temperature and pressure there is a specific humidity is present, means a particular humidity is present. So friends, here in the question first thing you should consider at 40 degree because at 40 degree the air is present at 40 degree and its relative humidity is 70%, that is at 40 degree. So you don't have anything with 70 degree 65 degree टेम्परेचर। मीन्स आपको यहाँ पे जो रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी जिस टेम्परेचर पे दी हुई रहती है उसी टेम्परेचर का सेचुरेशन वेपर प्रेशर लेना है, पार्शियल वेपर प्रेशर लेना है, जो भी हमें लेना है वो जो पार्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पे रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी दी हुई होती है उसी टेम्परेचर पे अपन लेते हैं। तो हियर इन दिस केस इट इज़ गिवन एयर इज एट प्रेजेंट एट 40 डिग्री एंड द रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी इज 70%. सो फ्रेंड्स, मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग टू बी कंफ्यूज, दे थिंक दैट relative humidity is 70%, so it is present at 40 degree also and 65 degree also. This is totally incorrect. Means relative humidity is given 70%, means it is present at 40 degree temperature, it is 70%. At 65 degree temperature maybe it can be more or less than 70%, means it is not equal to 70%. एट ए पार्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर ए पार्टिकुलर रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी हमारा होता है, मीन्स वो टेम्परेचर पे वेरी करता है। सो आपको इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखना है। एंड फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी यू हैव गॉट दैट इज 70% एंड पार्शियल वेपर प्रेशर एंड सेचुरेटेड वेपर प्रेशर यू हैव गॉट दैट इज 0.074 बार. So you will calculate the partial water vapor pressure at 40 degree centigrade. So you do the calculation and you will get the PW value. And friends, after this it is asking what is the relative humidity of exit air. Means exit air की हमें relative humidity calculate करनी है. That is our exit is done at 65 degree centigrade. Means हमारा जो exit हो रहा है वो 65 डिग्री पे हो रहा है. Entry is done at 40 degree and exit is done at 65 degree. So first thing we should calculate that we calculate the partial vapor pressure of water. So that is 0.7 into 0.074 bar. I have calculated the partial vapor pressure of water. And friends, you remember that partial vapor pressure of water is going of a mixture is going to be constant. Means it doesn't vary within the mixture. Means जो हमारा partial water vapor pressure है वो throughout the process it is constant. That's why we should use this partial water vapor pressure divided by the vapor pressure at the saturation capacity at the outlet temperature. Friends, outlet temperature is 65 degree centigrade and the vapor pressure at the saturation at 65 degree centigrade is 0.250. So you should take the ratio of both this and you will get the relative humidity at the exit air that is at 65 degree centigrade, that is 20.72%. Now friends, see another question. here it is also very good question. This question is looking little bit lengthy, but it is genuinely, it is very easy. You once read the question carefully. Friends, here it is saying that the atmospheric pressure is given, that is 0.5 atmospheric gauge pressure, and contains the humidity of 0.01 kg of water vapor per kg of dry air, and molecular weight of both dry air and water vapor are given. And in the first case, it is asking the partial pressure of water vapor inside the compressor. So friends, first thing you should see here, that it has given the humidity, absolute humidity it has given, that is 0.01. So you should simply use the relation, that is H is equal to 0.6262, or otherwise you can write it as 18 by 28.9. Friends, I have told you in my previous lecture that 0.62 is coming from 18 by 28.9, means it is the ratio of molecular weight of water divided by the molecular weight of air. So from there you can calculate the partial pressure of water vapor, मीन्स हम पार्शियल प्रेशर वाटर वेपर का इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं वहाँ से. एंड फ्रेंड्स, यू सी हियर दैट gauge pressure is 0.5 atmosphere, means gauge pressure, I think all of you have studied in your fluid mechanics regarding the gauge pressure, absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure, means at total pressure is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. हमारा जो टोटल प्रेशर होता है, एब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर होता है, वो दोनों का सम होता है, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर का और गॉज प्रेशर का. So here our gauge pressure is 0.5 atmosphere, and all of you know that atmospheric pressure value is 1 atm. So you should take 1 plus 0.5, that is 1.5 atm. So the total pressure is 1.5 minus pw, pw divided by 1.5 minus pw. So you should calculate the pw value, that is partial pressure of water vapor. That value is coming, that is you see that is 2.4 kilopascal. And friends, after that it is asking about the what is the relative humidity inside the compressor. Friends, here in the question you see that saturation vapor pressure at 30 degree is 4.246. So saturation vapor pressure is given, and we have calculated the partial vapor pressure of water, that is 2.4 kilopascal. So we should take the ratio of both 2.4 and 4.246. We can get the answer, that is 56.5%. Friends, now friends, see another question. Here it is given that the partial pressure and vapor pressure of water vapor in air at 27 degree and 1 atm is 0.028 and 0.035 atmosphere, and it is asking about the humidity. So first thing is it is asking the humidity. All of you have understand that this is the absolute humidity. So absolute humidity formula is, friends, whenever it is saying humidity, you clearly understand that it is the absolute humidity. So absolute humidity is equal to 0.622 into PWV divided by P total minus PWV. Friends, here the P total, you can see that it is present at 1 atmospheric pressure, that is 1 atm, and the PWV means partial pressure of water vapor is 0.028, and the partial pressure of and the vapor pressure of water, that is, friends, vapor pressure of water is also called the pressure at its saturation capacity. So partial pressure of water vapor is 0.028, and the vapor pressure at its saturation capacity is 0.035. And so that you can calculate the humidity of air, H is equal to 0.622 into 0.028 divided by 1 minus 0.028, that is 0.018 kg of water per kg of dry air. After that, friends, it is asking about the relative humidity. So all of you have know that relative humidity is the ratio of partial pressure of water vapor divided by vapor pressure at its saturation capacity. So फ्रेंड्स 0.028 डिवाइडेड बाई 0.035 इंटू 100 दैट इज 80%। फ्रेंड्स आपको ये चीज़ याद रखनी है, कभी भी जो हमारा सेचुरेशन वेपर प्रेशर होगा वो हमेशा ही पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ वाटर वेपर से ज़्यादा होता है, ऑलवेज ही ज़्यादा होता है। आपको ये चीज़ याद रखनी है। नाउ फ्रेंड्स सी अनदर क्वेश्चन। हियर इट इज़ गिवन दैट the absolute humidity at saturation and percentage humidity of air is 0.075 kg and 60% and relative humidity it is asking. Friends, here it is given the saturation humidity, so you can simply use the saturation humidity formula, that is H is equal to 0.622 into PS into divided by P minus PS. Friends, everything are same in case of absolute humidity and saturation humidity. Only the PWV and PS value means partial pressure at of water vapor in the mixture we are using in case of absolute humidity, and in case of saturation humidity we are using the vapor pressure of water vapor at its saturation capacity. So you should calculate the PS value. Friends, here one more thing, you see that it is present in the atmosphere, so you have to consider that the atmospheric pressure is the total pressure, that is 101.325. You should, whenever it is saying that it is present in the air or atmosphere, you have to consider the atmospheric pressure is the total pressure, that is 101.325. So you put these values, you can calculate the PS value, that is PS is equal to 10.902 kilopascal. Friends, after this you should calculate the, here in the question it has given the percentage humidity is given. So friends, percentage humidity is the ratio of humidity, absolute humidity divided by saturation humidity into 100, that is the percentage humidity. And you have calculated the, you have in the question you have got the value of saturation humidity means, so from there you can calculate the absolute humidity, that is 0.6 is equal to H by 0.075. You can get the H value, that is 0.045 kg of water per kg of dry air. Friends, this is our absolute humidity. And friends, now we have to calculate the partial pressure of water vapor present in the mixture. Friends, why we are doing this all things, these all stuffs we are doing, lots of processes we are follows, because we have to calculate the relative humidity. It is in the question, it is asking that relative humidity of air, it is asking, and all of you know that relative humidity formula is partial pressure of water vapor divided by vapor pressure of water at its saturation capacity. मीन्स रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी जो होता है हमारा रेशियो होता है वाटर वेपर के पार्शियल प्रेशर का और सेचुरेशन वेपर प्रेशर का रेशियो होता है. सो we have calculated the PS value, means we have calculated the saturation vapor pressure value, that is 10.902, and we have to now calculate the partial water vapor pressure present in the mixture. partial pressure water vapor का जो होगा मिक्सचर में जो हमारे प्रेजेंट है वो हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. So we should use the formula, that is H is equal to 0.622 into PWV divided by P minus PWV, and total pressure is, friends, it is present in the atmosphere, that's why the total pressure is 101.325, and we will calculate the PWV, means partial vapor pressure present in the mixture, that is 6.836 kilopascal. And after that, friends, we will calculate the relative humidity, which is very simple, that is the ratio of partial water vapor pressure and divided by the saturation water vapor pressure at its saturation capacity. So friends, whenever you are reading the question, you should be very conscious and very careful that whatever the data value it is given, you don't have to be confused between the partial vapor pressure, saturation vapor pressure. You have to understand each and every term. Here in this question, it is very good question. You see that in the question हमें दिया हुआ है कि सेचुरेशन वेपर प्रेशर, हमें से ह्यूमिडिटी दी हुई है जो कि सेचुरेशन स्टेज पे ह्यूमिडिटी दी हुई है. तो इससे अपन क्या करेंगे, वेपर प्रेशर निकालेंगे सेचुरेशन स्टेज में क्या वेपर प्रेशर होगी. मीन्स हमें ह्यूमिडिटी सेचुरेशन स्टेज की दी हुई है, तो उससे अपन कैलकुलेट करेंगे सेचुरेशन स्टेज पे क्या वेपर प्रेशर होगी. और जब अपन निकाल लेंगे सेचुरेशन स्टेज पे हमारी वेपर प्रेशर, तो उसके बाद और क्वेश्चन में हमें परसेंटेज ह्यूमिडिटी भी गिवन है। तो परसेंटेज ह्यूमिडिटी गिवन है तो उससे अपन क्या करेंगे, उससे अपन एब्सोल्यूट ह्यूमिडिटी निकालेंगे, बिकॉज हमारे क्वेश्चन में सेचुरेशन पॉइंट पे ह्यूमिडिटी गिवन है। तो इससे अपन क्या करेंगे, नॉर्मल ह्यूमिडिटी जो एब्सोल्यूट ह्यूमिडिटी होती है हमारी वो निकालेंगे, और फिर उसके बाद अपन पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ वाटर वेपर इन द मिक्सचर we will calculate, that is PWV, and after that friends we will calculate the relative humidity. So इतने सारे लंबे प्रोसेसेस हो रहे हैं, इसलिए आपको क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से समझना है और कंसेप्ट बिल्ड करना है। Now friends, you see another question. It is also very easy question. I think all of you can able to solve this question. Here the moist air is exist at 1.01 bar pressure, and the partial pressure and saturation pressure of water vapor are given, that is 0.01 bar and 0.02 bar. Means partial pressure and saturation pressure given है, and it is asking about the relative humidity. So friends, for solving it is asking about the relative humidity and humidity ratio. Friends, this is very easy question. It is simply given the partial pressure and saturation pressure is given, so you can easily calculate the relative humidity, that is 50%. 0.01 divided by 0.02 into 100, that is 50%. Relative humidity is very easy. And humidity ratio, friends, humidity ratio, for calculating the humidity ratio you have to calculate the humidity at the humidity due to the partial pressure of water vapor, and that is 0.622 into PV divided by P minus PV. Friends, P total is 1.01 bar, and PV is the partial vapor pressure is 0.01 bar. So you have to calculate the humidity. First you have to calculate the absolute humidity by considering the 0.01 bar pressure, and in second case you have to calculate the saturation humidity, means humidity present at the saturation stage of water vapor, that is humidity present at 0.02 bar. So in second case you have to calculate the humidity 0.622 into 0.02 divided by 1.01 minus 0.02, you will get the humidity in second case also, and you take the ratio of both first humidity and second humidity, you will get the humidity ratio. That's all. So friends, this is the basic portion of psychometry, and next we will make further videos upon this topic. So please subscribe our channel and share our channel to all the students who are preparing for GATE examination, because your subscription will motivate us to make further videos. So thank you. That's all friends.